Hey, what's up everyone? We are fixing the, what I guess they call ghost in the Dodge Dart. So it's where the trunk just starts to open automatically on its own without you doing anything. And sometimes when you push this button, nothing happens. That's what we're gonna fix today. If that's what you're having a problem with, then hopefully this solves it. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the trunk, right? There's two little black things right here. I'll show you what they look like. They look like this. They'll be in here like that, popped in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just pull on them, pop them out. They pop out pretty easy, you just gotta pull on them a little bit. There are two of them. So once you pop them out, you can start to pull this part of the carpet off of this. There are little black tabs like this here. You can just pull on them a little bit slightly and they should pop. There's a little door that you can take off to get better access to. All right, so now once you got it at least a good ways down, what you're gonna do is there are little bolts right here. There's one, two, three, four, five. There's 5 of them. So they take a 8mm socket or wrench. It's better to use a socket because you gotta get in here, right? They come off pretty easy. And then there's also same size right here, 2 of them on each tail light. So you can go ahead and loosen those. That's what allows the actual one-piece tail light to come out. All right, now once you do that, you can remove the tail light. Give me a second. All right, once you remove some of the tape right here, this is where that button is on your trunk. I heard that when this malfunctions, that's what makes the trunk just pop open on its own and go out of whack. All right, but we're just gonna unplug it from right here and see if that just ends up solving our problem. All right, so I'm gonna unplug it, put everything back, and I will update you guys. Hey everyone, back on an update. It does work. I have not had any issues ever since unplugging the trunk button. The trunk doesn't open up by itself anymore. Everything opens with the key fob or from inside. The button doesn't work since we unplugged it, but you can open the trunk still through the key fob or underneath the dash. Just know that they don't sell the buttons separately. When I looked online, everything is, you have to kind of buy the whole tail light assembly. So I hope this helps anyone out there. If so, please give me a like and a follow. Definitely helps the channel out. You guys have a good day.